Hello students, this is your teacher from Adarsh Education Society. I'll be teaching you Grammar of Standard 4th. Topic Rules of Plural. Part 2. We have already completed part 1. In previous part, I've taught you rule number 1 and rule number 2 of plural. Today we are going to continue with further topic rule number 3, 4 and 5. Students, now we will have a quick recap what we have studied in previous video. Singular noun. A singular noun refers to only one person, animal, thing, place or idea. For example, pen, egg, bus, etc. Students, you all know what is singular. Singular refers to single thing. Single means one. Next, when we are talking about one, then this chapter is about plural, that is many. The plural noun. A plural noun refers to more than one person, animal, thing, place, or idea. So, for example, pens, eggs, buses, etc. We can only change countable nouns into plural form. Okay, students? Understand that we can only change a particular noun into plural when it is countable. Uncountable nouns cannot be referred as plural. For example, water, air, hair, etc. We don't add s or we don't make it plural. We always use this particular words in singular form only. And now, rule number 1. Rule number 1 says most noun adds s to form plural. For example, pens, boys, or you can take an example of chair. So many examples by just adding s. This rule number 1 is applicable and we just add s to the noun. Rule 2. Noun ends in s, double s, x, ch, sh and o. If any word which ends with s, double s, x, ch, sh or o, we add es to such nouns to make it plural. So for example, dresses, boxes, etc. So this is what we have studied in previous video. Now in next slide we will understand about further rules for the different rules, rule number 3, rule number 4 and rule number 5, which will be applicable while changing a particular word to plural form. So let's start. Rule number 3. When the Y follows a consonant. Students, I hope you all are aware about vowels and consonants. Can you repeat? Vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Yes. And the remaining alphabets, what do we call them? Consonant. So, a last word that is Y, and before that Y, if consonant is there. So, changing Y, that means we will just change that Y to I and we will add ES. I know it's confusing. Let's see the example. See, here we have family as an example. So when I say family, family F-A-M-I-L-Y. As I said, the last alphabet is Y. And before that Y, which word is the alphabet is there? L. Now tell me, L is vowel or consonant? Yes, you all are right. It's L, that is consonant. If a consonant is there before Y, we will change this Y into I and we will add ES. Clear? Again, I'll explain you. See, I will change this Y to I, and after that I will add ES. So family will become families. So few examples. Candy. See, the candy word ends with Y and before Y there is consonant. So I'll have to change this. I'll change this Y into I and then I will add ES. So candy will become candies. Lady will become ladies. Puppy will become puppies. Country will become countries. Yes, I hope you understood. Rule number 4. Some words or some nouns which ends with F or FE, we will change that F or FE to V and add ES. See this example, wife. So wife, yes, wife ends with FE. So it ends with FE, WIVES. I'll remove this FE, I'll write V, and after that I will add ES. Some examples, let's see. Life. Life, FE ends with, life ends with FE. So I'll change this FE to V and then I will add ES. Same goes to knife, knives. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. But there are some exceptional words also. That means exceptional means this words doesn't follow the rule number 4. So some words like cuff, cuffs. That is, we only add S, we don't remove this F and we don't add V. Knock off, knock offs. Chef, you all know chef, right? So chef ends with F, but we make it plural by writing chefs. Belief, beliefs. Roof, roofs, chief, chiefs. So here are some exceptional words which doesn't follow the rule number 4. Rule number 5. Students, this rule number 5 teaches some irregular noun. What do you mean by irregular noun? So, an irregular noun is a noun that becomes plural by changing their vowel, that is sound, or its spelling in other ways, then adding s or es. So previously what we understood in rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, by adding es, by adding s, we can change that particular noun to plural. But this rule number 5 makes irregular noun. That means the word itself is changed. And how do we change it? By changing the vowel sound or by changing the spelling itself. So let's see some examples. Foot. When we are talking about one foot, it is foot. And when we make it plural, we change it to feet. So here we have changed the vowel sound. Double O is changed to double E. So foot became feet. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Man, men. Yes, this you all have learned. Man, men. Woman, women. This was change in the sound. Okay, change in the vowel. See, this double O became double E. This double O became double E. Again, a double O from goose became double E in geese. Here, A in man is changed to E. Again, here, A, women, it changed to women. So now we will understand the other way of irregular noun, that is by changing the spelling itself. So, first one is mouse. When we talk about mouse, it will change to mice, right? Mouse to mice. Die, dice. Ox, oxen. Child, children. And when we are talking about one person, it's person. And when we are talking about many, that is called as people. Go through this words and try finding out new words in this way. Students, let's revise what we have learned. I've taught you rule number 3, rule number 4, and rule number 5, irregular noun. So let's try to solve this exercise. Some words are given to you. You have to change it into plural form. See, write the plural form of each singular noun given below. I'll just read out the words. Leaf, half, tooth, story, mouse, child, holiday, person, boy, man, roof, thief, baby, foot. So let's find out the answers. Answers. So students, come, we will discuss and find out the correct answer of the singular noun. The first one, leaf. When words or noun ends with F, what we will do? We will change that F to V and then we will add ES to it. Yes, it will become leaves. Second one, half. Same method, same rule is applicable. F we will change to V, and then we will add ES. Yes, absolutely right. Halves. Tooth. Here the double O will change irregular noun. Absolutely right, students. Tooth will become teeth. Okay, come on, show me your teeth. You got the right answer. Okay, so we will start solving the further one. Story. Story. Last alphabet is Y. Before Y it is R. So what we will do? We will change that Y to I, and then we will add, yes, we will add ES. Fifth one, mouse. Mouse will become mice. Then child. Child, children. Holiday. Now this alphabet is Y. But students, please pay attention. Before Y, there is vowel. If there is vowel, we will only add S. So it will become holidays. Person. Person means one person or one individual. So we will change it to plural. It will become people. Boy will become boys. Man, men. Roof, roofs. Thief, thief will become thieves. Baby, babies. Foot, feet. Okay, go through these words. Try to understand which rule is applicable to which word and why. Students, I think you understood this rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now, whenever we change singular noun to plural, just don't add S. Think of the rules which I have taught you and then start applying the rule to that particular word. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you so much.